Before detailing the object, copy the entire turret and move the duplicate to the second layer. These copies may still be needed. Hide foreign objects by pressing slash on the numpad. Add polygons and extrude them. Then we'll add the cuts to the muzzle brake. Add a chamfer by clicking on Ctrl B or on Ctrl E, then bevel. For a chamfer to be correct, apply the current dimensions. Go to the object mode and press Ctrl A, then apply scale plus rotate. To make the smooth model display correctly, you need to apply Auto Smooth and set the angle value to 30 to 35. To make the edges sharp, you need to select them and press Ctrl E, then Mark Sharp. It's time to add slots in the muzzle brake. For this we add the cuts from the inside and align them. Select the desired faces and create a hole by clicking on W. Then press Bridge Edge Loops. Do the same on the other side. Remove the extra parts. See you in the next lesson.